Hey guys, so today we're making some loaded fries. Got some 5-minute fries right here. Get it all around, just like that. I'm gonna cook the fries first. Well, bake it. Bake it. Spread out nice, as even as possible. Just like that. See? Look at that. Alright, we're gonna put it in the oven now. Heat the oven at 365. 350. Guys, so I'm gonna turn it. It's been in the oven for like 5 minutes now. Gonna turn them. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna try and flip them a little bit so that both sides can be crispy. See me? See it? See paper? Yes, get in there. The oven again. See me? Okay guys, I'm gonna cut some tomatoes. Just like that. Just like that. Just want some nice little cubes. Nice little cubes. Nice little cubes. Just like that. Put it in here. Like that. Just like that. Okay guys, so they're just about done right now. It all depends on how you like it, how crispy you like it. So yeah guys, so just bring them up together to make them look like, stack them together. Then we're gonna add the tomatoes now. We're gonna add the cheese now. Yeah, so it all depends on how much cheese you want, just add it and which cheese you want. Yeah, so we're just gonna pop this in the oven again. Let it finish off. Alright guys, there you have it. Look at that. It's just about done. Look at it. Get some green onions, throw all over it. Hey guys, welcome to Chop Chop. J.A. up in the bizzle.